Hi, in this video, let us discuss about stream operations. So we will see one code sample for that. Suppose we have a array list of integers and we want to create a stream out of this array list of integers, and we need to convert that stream into a stream of squares of those integers. Then we have to only select the numbers which are greater than 10 and form another stream. Then finally we will count the number of elements in that final stream. So that is what we are going to do now. So let us declare a array list of integers now. So we'll have the variable as num list equal to new array list integer. So now we have created a array list. Okay, now we will store the integer numbers into this array list. Okay, we will store numbers by using add method. So we store numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so now what we do is we will create a stream out of this array list. Okay, stream integer s1 equal to, we have to call the stream method on this array list, which will return you a stream. Okay, so now we got the stream. Next thing is we have to perform some operations on stream. So first thing is we want to convert this stream into another stream of squares of these numbers. So for that we will use a method called map. This map method this map method takes a function as argument. Okay, this map method takes function as argument. So first we have to declare a function, and we have to assign a lambda expression, right? We assign a lambda expression to this function interface, right? So that is what we are going to do now. So we declare a variable of type function. Okay, we declare a variable of type function, and we will assign the lambda expression to it. So we have to pass the implementation of the function interface. Okay, so function, so f is of type function, then we have to assign a lambda expression. So what the function does, function takes a, it has a apply method, it takes a element and it will convert into another element. So we are going to pass a integer value to this, and which will be converted into another value. In this case we have to convert into a square. Okay, so that's what we are going to do in this case. So now we have to pass it, map method, right? Map method. Okay, you have to pass it to the map method of the stream s1. So we have to call the map method This map method takes function implementation of function. So we have to pass f, right? So once it is done, this map method will convert using the function implementation of function. It will convert that stream into another stream and it will return a stream. So now we have the stream available. Now next thing is we have to we have to um, filter it, right? We only need the uh, elements which are greater than 10. Okay, that's what we require. So for that we need, yeah, another method. So what we have to do is we have to we have to call another method, right? Yes, to dot, we have to call the filter method. The filter method takes a predicate as argument, and we have to provide the implementation of predicate. Okay, so we have to declare a variable of type predicate. Okay, and we have to assign a lambda expression to it. We have to assign the lambda expression. So let us do that part now. So so predicate p equal to, we have to, the predicate actually has one method test. It takes one argument and it will do a logic, test a logic, and it will return either true or false. So our filter method of stream will use this predicate to test all elements, and it will only the whichever element passes the test, that elements will be used for converting into another stream. So in our case, we want all the elements which are greater than 10. Okay, so that is what our logic here is. So you write that one, right? Now we are done with that part. So we have to pass that predicate, implementation of predicate, to this filter method. Now it is ready. So next thing is, so we have done this part also, right? So next thing is, so we have next thing is we have to count the elements in the final string. So for that we have to declare a variable count equal to s3 dot s3 dot, we call the count method. So the count method will return you the number of elements in the list. So finally what we need to do is we have to print it. We have to print system dot out dot println. Then we have to pass the value count. So now let us run this code and see the output now. Okay, so we are done with the coding now. Let us run this code and see the output. So the output should be, most probably it will be, it is 2, right? So how it comes to, so we have first convert these array list into a stream, then we are converting the stream into another stream of having squares. So 1 is square of 1 is 1, 2 is 4, 3 is 9, 4 is 12, and we have positive 15, 15. So we have only two values which are greater than 10. So that is why we are getting 2. Okay, so let us do a summary of what we have done in this example. First is we have created a array list of integers, then we create a stream out of it. Then what we have done is we have declared a function. We have declared a variable of type function. We assign lambda expression to it. Then we pass the function to the map method. Map method will convert this stream into another stream of squares, integers, which are squares of that integers. Then we will declare a variable of type predicate and we assign lambda expression to it, and we pass that predicate implementation to a filter method. Filter method will filter it using this logic. The logic is the elements which are greater than 10. So by using this it will form another stream. Then finally we will count the elements and we print it. Okay, this is what we have done in this case, guys.